Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unraveling of a new project. I have some leather seat covers to put into my Peugeot 107. This is how it's looking. I only bought one from eBay for £8.50 I think. I'm going to see how it looks before I buy the other one. And these are the fixtures and fittings that came with the cover. I have a massive hole in my seats that I want to cover up with these leather seat covers. And this is how the covers are looking on the seat. They look decent enough for me to purchase another one for the other side. I will also buy some foam to put in down here to make it a little bit more supportive, and down here too. I'll also get some glue spray and spray the seat covers into place. Several days later now, I have some more packages arrived. Here is some strong spray glue. And in this packet I have another seat cover for the driver's side. Unfortunately, this seat cover has a bit of fold marks during the postage and packaging period. I'm hoping this will level out once I put it into the car after a few days. And here I have some foam to put into the sides and to the back of the seat cover. Now I'm just cutting the foam. I'm not really measuring, I'm just eyeballing it and cutting it a little bit bigger than I need, and then making further cuts for it to fit in. I'm just trying it out and trimming off more if needed. Once I have the foam cut to the correct size, I am just spray gluing it into the seat covers. Take your time here and make sure everything is cut to the correct size. Measuring it will probably be a more sensible way of carrying out this task. Now all the foam bits are glued into place, it's time to take it to the car and see how it fits. I have attached these hooks to the plastic part of the cover to put to the back of the seat. You can see the fold marks on this seat cover is making it look not as good as the other one was. I'm hoping it will level out, flatten out as it lays there hanging. Now that I've put it in place, I'm just spray gluing the seat cover to the seat itself. Just putting the hooks onto the driver's side seat cover, then I will put that cover on the seat too. Now I've attached the hooks to a little bar that was there at the back of the seat. Sitting in the seat with the covers on, it feels very comfortable having these cushion pads on either side of the seat and the back. Time to glue the driver's side seat cover into position as well. Time to see how the seat covers look fitted in the car. As you can see, the passenger side seat cover is a little bit creased.